ini dengan budget. Nah, di Amerika ini yang paling kita takutkan sebenarnya bukan kematian ya, tapi kalau andaikan sesuatu terjadi pada kita, kita cacat gitu loh. Nah, lu dapat uang dari mana, kan kita nggak kerja gitu loh. Mungkin dapat dari Social Security, tapi apakah ada asuransi yang cover untuk itu? Nah, saya ini barusan rubah, saya punya asuransi menjadi, and I joined the American General Life Insurance. This is Hewitt, he's my agent. And can you explain to me what I have right now?
Okay, Bruce. The insurance company's name is American General Life Insurance Company.
Okay.
The phone number is 1-800
1-800 1800
888
888
2452.
2452 2452.
Your policy number is
My policy number
214
214
739
739 739
529.
529 529.
The coverage amount is 350,000.
350.000 ya. Jadi andaikan sesuatu terjadi sama saya, ini keluarga saya bisa membantu untuk mengklaim ini ya. Jadi I have my beneficiary, right?
Yeah.
Saya punya ahli waris ya.
Your beneficiary is your mom.
My mom, ya.
Yeah.
The beneficiary is my mom. So I make it public. I don't have anything to hide. Saya tidak harus buka rahasia. Saya cerita apa adanya. So my mom is the beneficiary.
Yes.
What happened if what other benefit I will have with this one?
Okay, this one is the life insurance.
Okay.
So if you die, your mom will receive the 350,000.
Kalau saya meninggal, ibu saya kan otomatis menerima $350.000. Is tax free?
Yes, tax free.
Okay. Tax free ya. Terus and
The next one you have is 3 riders.
I have 3 riders. Jadi saya ada 3 kondisi yang memungkinkan saya mendapat uang dari asuransi company ini kalau ada hal terjadi, kalau apa.
The first ride is the critical illness rider.
Critical illness rider. What is that?
A critical illness rider is defined as one of the following condition.
Ya, jadi kalau salah satu kondisi ini terjadi pada saya bisa dibayar oleh asuransi 90%. What is that?
Heart attack,
Serangan jantung,
stroke,
stroke,
blindness,
buta,
paralysis,
lumpuh,
major organ transplant,
salah satu transplant organ yang gede,
cancer,
kanker,
kidney failure,
penyakit ginjal.
ALS.
What is that?
It's a amyotrophic lateral sclerosis.
Oh, sclerosis itu yang menyerang bagian saraf nerve. Jadi kita tidak bisa goyang, tidak bisa we cannot move.
Yes.
Basically, right? Yeah.
And this has to be certified by a licensed doctor in the US.
Oke. Jadi ini harus kita tidak bisa klaim asal klaim aja. Ini harus mendapat surat pernyataan dari dokter yang ada di United States, di Amerika. What is the term number 2?
Term number 2 is called a chronic illness rider.
Jadi bisa juga, atau kalau misalnya terjadi chronic illness ya. Jadi penyakit yang kronis. Dan how many item are you supposed to have?
We have 6 activity of daily living. In order to qualify for this one,
Yeah.
at least you cannot do 2 of these 6.
Jadi kalau misalnya ada 6 ya, 6 activity, minimum harus ada 2 yang saya tidak bisa lakukan yang memungkinkan saya untuk dibayar oleh asuransi. Which is
bathing,
jadi saya tidak bisa mandi sendiri,
dressing,
saya tidak bisa pakai baju sendiri,
toileting,
saya tidak bisa ke WC,
walking.
saya tidak bisa jalan sendiri. So I cannot walk by myself, has to be someone bring me.
Yeah, you cannot
wheelchair.
walk. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
And maintenance, like you know how to when go to the pool, when go to the pee.
So they will put caretaker, the one machine to pee. Anyway.
No, this one is like you don't know. You can't. You
cannot move.
You don't know when you are you need to
Oh,
pee. Or
jadi
you
kalau
don't-
gua
you
tidak,
don't
jadi
feel
gua
it.
ya, jadi gua tidak bisa, gua kencingin diri gua atau gua berakin diri gua sendiri gitu.
Yeah. And the last one is eating.
Jadi kalau gua tidak bisa makan sendiri, pokoknya ada 2 hal ini yang gua tidak bisa lakukan, gua bisa qualify untuk asuransi gua gitu loh, ya.
Yeah.
So I can collect how many percent? 90%.
90% up to 90%.
Oke.
But you don't have to. You can choose any amount, 10%, 20%.
Oh, jadi saya tidak harus collect. So if I don't collect 90%, I can collect 10 or 20%.
Yeah, it's up to you.
And I will still
Have the insurance.
if I collect, if I collect 90%, I will
Yeah.
automatically terminate my
Yes,
insurance.
no more.
Why is not 100%?
Because you know that's how. Because okay, 100% because it's like when you die. Because right now they are giving the cash upfront.
Oh,
Just like if you cash the lottery ticket,
yeah.
if you upfront, they are not cash the 100%.
Oh.
Right.
Jadi saya bisa dapat 100%, 350.000 kalau meninggal. Tapi kalau hanya sakit dan masih hidup, 90% aja yang bisa diambil, ya.
Okay.
And what is number 3?
The number 3 is the terminal illness.
Jadi penyakit yang apa?
Terminal illness is
Yeah.
defined as an illness or physical condition that is certified by a licensed doctor in the US
Ya.
who believe your life expectancy is less than 2 years.
Oh, jadi kalau dokter bilang, Buce, umur kamu tinggal 2 tahun lagi. Nah, dan pernyataan itu dikeluarkan oleh dokter di Amerika, aku bisa qualify untuk mengkolek insuransinya, gitu. Ya.
Yeah. So that's the 3 riders.
There's
you
a
have.
3 writers,
Yes.
right? Jadi saya berikan sedikit gambaran ya. Dulunya tuh saya punya WMA, saya punya life insurance, saya bayar $175 setiap bulan. Saya ambil dari tahun 94. It's 94. I have Western Life Insurance. Western Reserve Life
Yes.
Insurance.
Yes.
So $175 dari $175 itu, I believe $45 to cover my life insurance, and $135 is be invest in stock market.
Yes.
Ya. Jadi waktu itu 175 ya, kayak $45 untuk life insurance, 135 untuk di invest kayak mutual fund gitu loh. Tapi jadi waktu saya collect, saya punya itu, I collect mine like 3 months ago, saya pindahin ke punya dia. Itu I collect $34,000.
Yes.
Saya collect $34,000, gue pindahin ke sini gitu. Jadi gue sekarang hanya bayar $180 ya. I pay $180 right now.
Right now,
Is
yes.
it correct?
Yes.
Yeah. $180 with the benefit for $350,000. Is
Yes.
it correct? Ya, 350.000. Jadi dari $180 saya dapat cover 350.000. But if I think it's not enough, I need like $1 million. Can I do that?
Yes, of course you can do that.
How much I have to pay?
I believe it's around the 250 a month.
Oh, jadi gue bisa, jadi kan tadi sekarang kan gue punya 350.000 nih. Tapi saya pikir mungkin saya baiknya cover $1 juta, just in case aku ada apa-apa gitu loh. Jadi kalau untuk itu gue harus bayar $250.
Between 250 and 300. I need to check the number in the computer.
Oh,
Yeah.
based from my age, dari umur saya,
Based on your age,
I have to pay 250. It will be flat rate or it will be
it's
fluctuate?
flat rate, flat rate.
Jadi tidak akan berubah. So it will be flat rate, right?
Yeah, never change.
Never change.
Once it's issued, never change.
Oh. So I will pay forever until I die.
No, this term you only up to like 85.
Oh, so if jadi ini saya bayar sampai umur 85 tahun. What happen if until 85 years old I'm still healthy and I'm not dying yet?
So the coverage will terminate.
So what happen? They will give back my money?
No,
Huh?
no.
So
It's a term, and what happened is, you know,
I come back to 350,000.
you only have like 350,000 coverage.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Oh. Jadi sampai umur 85 kalau tidak terjadi apa-apa gitu ya. Saya tidak bisa ini. Tapi saya masih bisa, but I will qualify if let's see if I die 86 years old. So my beneficiary can get 1 million or 350,000.
350,000.
Oh, we go down again.
86, right? You say?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so you want to 1 million, right?
So, okay, what happened if I pay $250, say bayar $250 right now, $250 every month. Something happened to me, I will die. My mom will get how much? 350 or 1 million?
It depends on when you die.
If I die maybe like 5 years.
Your mom will get 1 million and 1.35 million.
1.35 million.
Yeah, because you have a 1 million here, you have the 350,000 here.
Oh, so 250 is additional for 180, or 180 became 250
Okay.
for $1 million coverage.
Different.
Oh, different.
Different policy.
Okay, so jadi ini polisinya
In
berbeda.
addition,
Okay, you have to explain to me. I have to pay only $250, not 180.
oh, okay, yeah, okay. In addition, you want to have,
$180 plus $250.
so you will have a total of 1.35 million coverage.
Okay, so this is okay. Jadi kalau gua mau cover $1 juta, oh that's additional from a 180 addition plus 250.
Yes.
So it's mean $350, $430 I have to pay.
Yeah.
You have to explain to me.
Okay.
I was thinking I just pay $250.
250.
Yeah.
1 million.
Yeah.
Maybe only for 15 years.
Oh, I can do that, but
Yeah.
only 15 years.
Only 15 years, maybe. You can do like up to 85. So it's like to 62.
Yeah. So okay. So jadi kita bisa apa? Jadi oke. Jadi ini additionalnya ya. Nanti saya pikirin dulu ya. Tapi untuk sementara saya punya sampai $350,000 ya. Okay, do you want to introduce yourself first?
Yeah, my name is Hewitt. So I'm with American General Life Insurance Company. My phone number is 626
626
236
236
0272
02
72.
0272. Terima kasih.